The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. The only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. Everything has its wonders, even darkness and silence, and I learn whatever state I may be in, therein to be content. Never bend your head, always hold it high. Look the world straight in the eye. Knowledge is love and light and vision. Although the world is full of suffering, it is also full of the overcoming of it. Your success and happiness lies in you. Resolve to keep happy and your joy, and you shall form an invincible host against difficulties. What we have once enjoyed, we can never lose. All that we love deeply becomes a part of us. Character cannot be developed in ease and quiet. Only through the experience of trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened, ambition inspired, and success achieved. Faith is the strength by which a shattered world shall emerge into the light. What I am looking for is not out there, it is in me. We can do anything we want to if we stick to it long enough. Life is either a great adventure or nothing. The highest result of education is tolerance. Until the great mass of the people shall be filled with the sense of responsibility for each other's welfare, social justice can never be attained. The world is moved along not only by the mighty shoves of its heroes, but also by the aggregate of tiny pushes of each honest worker. No pessimist ever discovered the secret of the stars, or sailed to an uncharted land, or opened a new doorway for the human spirit. Of all the senses, sight must be the most delightful. Life is an exciting business, and most exciting when it is lived for others. No one has a right to consume happiness without producing it. People do not like to think. If one thinks, one must reach conclusions, and conclusions are not always pleasant. We could never learn to be brave and patient if there were only joy in the world. Self-pity is our worst enemy, and if we yield to it, we can never do anything wise in this world.